Hello everybody, this is an unboxing video for the Nuvomed Pro Therapy Pro Impact Massager. Helps with muscle soreness and stiffness. It includes 4 interchangeable heads, a round head, a fork head, a flat head, a bullet head. It's got a powerful motor, 6 speed settings, cordless and lightweight, and I bought it just today, so I'm going to open it up and show you what's inside. It cost me 20 quid from Home Bargains. That's a bargain, isn't it? Right, here we go. So, open it up. Let's see what's inside. Piece of foam, instructions, then we've got the, oh god, that's quite heavy actually, the machine itself, and inside the box we have it's like a golf ball, a squash ball, what do they call that? The round head. So you put the round head in. We've also got the bullet head, and we've got the flat head. We've got the two-pronged one, can't get it out, there we are, two-pronged one, that's for your spine and your neck apparently, and a little charging cable. That's what you get. So on the back we've got a little charging socket there for that. Comes ready charged, and an on-off switch. But you can hear that. And it goes up 6 stages before it turns off again. So you got to go all the way, cycle through 6 stages. So let's have a little go. Here we go. Right, what should we do? Let's pretend this bit's sore because you can see that on the camera. So I'll turn it on. Ooh, bit faster. Marvellous. It's alright there. Oh! Wouldn't recommend that. There we go, the Nuvomed massage machine. Excellent. I'm going to give that a good go and do some bits and pieces like my back. Should I have a go on the back? Perfect. Oh. Not bad at all. I'll just turn it off, and that's my unboxing of the Nuvomed Pro Therapy Pro Impact Massager. 20 quid, Home Bargains. Who wants one then?